Welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade, and today I'm going to give you an overview of our recently updated pricing tiers. In order to make Shrimpy more accessible to everyone, we've completely overhauled our pricing model, including the launch of a free pricing tier that allows you to link an exchange and get started investing immediately. When you create a Shrimpy account, you will automatically be on the zero-tier subscription. As mentioned, the zero-tier subscription allows you to link an exchange account, automate it, and track your asset balances and performance over time, free of charge. All of the assets held in the spot trading account on the exchange will appear in the default portfolio on Shrimpy. This data will be updated every 20 minutes. You can create an automation to run on your portfolio. This will automatically rebalance your portfolio based on your specifications. When creating an automation, you select which assets you want to hold in your portfolio and what allocation you want each asset to hold. You can choose to automatically rebalance daily or never. If you select never, the portfolio will only rebalance if you manually rebalance it. If you select daily, the portfolio will automatically rebalance once a day. It is important to note that all of the assets held in the default portfolio will be sold to your target allocations. You also have access to unlimited spot trading from the Trading tab. If you don't want to set up an automation to run on your portfolio, you can manually trade on the Trading tab. Here, you can select which asset you want to sell. This will bring up the asset detail page. Under the trade section, you can choose how much of the asset you want to sell and which asset you want to buy. A preview of the trade will appear, showing what will happen if you make the trade. You can also utilize the backtesting tool to run up to 3 backtests per day. This can help test how your trading strategies may perform based on past data. If you need access to more exchange accounts and portfolios, or would like additional trading features, you can choose to upgrade to the standard tier or the plus tier. The standard tier is $19 monthly or $15 a month if you pay annually. With the standard tier, you can link up to 5 exchange accounts or wallets, and the balance data will be updated every 15 minutes. You can also create 4 additional portfolios besides your default portfolio per exchange account linked. Every exchange account will have a default portfolio. This is where deposits and withdrawals made on the exchange will be added to or removed from in Shrimpy. You can then create additional portfolios to separate the assets you hold on the exchange. This allows you to use different trading strategies on your assets. You can create an automation for each portfolio if you wish. The standard tier also offers more rebalance options. You can choose to pick the assets you want to include in your portfolio, or you can create an index automation. There are more rebalance options as well. You can choose to rebalance periodically or based on a threshold. The standard tier also adds the option to enable a portfolio stop loss and dollar cost averaging. The portfolio stop loss will track the value changes of your entire portfolio from the last highest peak. If the portfolio value goes down the threshold you have set, the stop loss will trigger, pulling your portfolio out of the market and selling all of the assets in the portfolio to the stop loss currency you have selected. The dollar cost averaging feature will detect funds added to the portfolio. The newly added funds will be rebalanced immediately based on your automation. The standard tier also offers unlimited backtesting. The plus tier is $49 monthly or $39 a month if you pay annually. The plus tier allows you to link up to 25 exchange accounts or wallets. Balance data will be updated every 10 minutes. You can create up to 10 portfolios per exchange and automate each one. Along with the features listed in the standard tier, the plus tier adds a feature to reduce trading fees by enabling fee optimization with maker trades on the automation. This means that Shrimpy will attempt to place maker orders first during a rebalance. This may increase the amount of time your rebalance takes to complete. The Plus tier also allows you to create API keys for your Shrimpy account. You can use these keys to pull your Shrimpy information to third-party websites. Once you have selected the subscription tier that will work best for you, choose Select Plan under the subscription. Choose which payment method you would like to set up. This payment method will be used for recurring subscription fees each month. Enter your payment information and save the info. As soon as you click Save, your payment will be charged. This payment method will be automatically charged on the renewal date unless the subscription is canceled. You can change your payment method at any time by selecting Update Payment Method here. You will not lose any premium time already paid for when upgrading to a new subscription tier. If you have any questions about the subscription tiers or setting up your account, please reach out to our support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help answer your questions.